going to learn about urine formation pathway. So what actually happens in the body? There is an increase of ammonia and the cell waste, and there are many things. So we can say etc. So these things increase in the body. Then they come into the blood, and from blood they are like carried towards the liver. In liver, ammonia, which is more toxic, is converted to urea, which is less toxic. We are converting ammonia to urea because it is less toxic and it can be stored sufficiently. And this urea is carried, or you can say transported, with the help of blood to kidney. In kidney there are nephron. With the help of these nephrons, the filtration is carried out. So nephron helps in filtration, and the urine which is formed after filtration is taken from, the pathway is from nephron to ureter, from ureter to bladder, and from bladder to urethra, and lastly it is ejected out of the body. So let's see this model. You can see the adrenal gland, pair of kidneys, pair of ureters, and bladder. So what actually happened is, before that I would like to say that here in kidney we have studied that there is medulla and cortex, and in medulla there are medullary pyramids. I have zoomed that medullary pyramid into this. So you can see here it is this is the cortex and this is medulla. So in cortex we have learned that there is the presence of glomerulus Bowman's capsule, which is known as renal corpuscle, and PCT and DCT are present. The Henle loop, the loop of Henle, is present in cortex. So you can see this here. You can see this white color is collecting tubule. This is collecting tubule. From these, you can see a small that the part of the collecting tubule. Here there is an attachment of different nephrons, and this white color thread is nephron. You can see the red color part, this is renal artery. Blue color part is renal vein. So let's see this. Suppose consider this is the urine which has been formed by the filtration. Now see, this is I'm just adding this over here. So as I add this, this is the filtration has occurred from this kidney. Nephron has given us the filtrate. So this is, which is the urine we call, and from the renal pelvis to the ureter, from the renal pelvis to the ureter, from the bladder to urethra, and ejected out of the body. This is how the urine is passed from our body to outside, from the renal pelvis to ureter to bladder, and ejected out of the body. Thank you.